Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Over here I have Ural Heritage. This is one of the most sought after motorcycles. And, but we're really presenting this new accessory that we've been working on for the last year, because we had a lot of demands for a harness for the trailer for Ural. So the trailer for Ural is a sensitive topic. And this is really, if you have a tiny, almost invisible trailer that has no weight but has lights. So then you can use this electrical harness that we custom designed, and it's a plug and play part that you can install yourself. There is an electrical harness for the motorcycle that runs in this area right there. So you would access that, unplug it, and plug these two connectors. And then you do have this much of a high quality electrical harness that we make here. And then you can, we actually have another video with a motorcycle that has this installed, but you basically bring this out, and there's enough length of wire, and using the zip ties, you would bring this out and to the back. And then we do have an option, what's called accessory hitch, and that has a square receptacle where you can insert accessories to have your skis, a bike, but something that you just want to connect there. If you do have a tiny little trailer, let's say you have a fiberglass boat that you want to transport, and you consider that makes sense, then you do need to have an electrical harness for those lights to work. And that harness would be visible, would be pretty much on that part of the hitch right here. And then you would be able to connect your typical 4-prong trailer plug right there. So this here is there is an electronic circuitry that matches the electrical loads in the bike, and they will work with your trailer lights. And if you look at the quality of this harness, and here's the light, you can see that this is really high end. This is not just slapped together and thrown on the bike. The installation methods is something that you would have to implement, but there's enough length here. But as far as implementation and how the wires are connected, this is high-end stuff. And I'm going to show you also, I have a wiring that is in progress. I actually took it from our technician to show you how we do this. So all the splices are actually soldered. You can see that it's all prepped, and that's being soldered. And then this connector is already situated. And on the inside, you will see, well, he had to slip that on, but you can see the actual soldered connections right there. And this is all going to make its way into another set of wires that connect to these little pins like this. So actually he had connected these two. So these are going to be soldered and connected. This one is connected. And then he's going to slip another heat shrinking tube. This is all going to be heat shrink tubed here. And then the large one is going to go on top of that. And then there's also this fancy tape is going to go on top of that. So we're very confident that this will give you plenty of service. And if you have any installation questions, you can always reach out to Ural NE. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for visiting our website, uralne.com. To view selection of gorgeous Ural motorcycles, visit alphacars.com or simply give us a call at 978-263-9000. Thanks for viewing. Please consider sharing, subscribing, and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button.